Here we have a problem that says if 1,100 silkworm eggs weigh 1.3 grams, how much does each egg weigh? Express your answer in scientific notation. So essentially, when they tell us if 1,100 silkworm eggs weigh 1.3 grams, that's giving us an equivalency between two things. Essentially, 1,100 or 1,100 eggs is equal to 1.3 grams. What that is giving us is a conversion factor. So we typically don't want to start our problem with the conversion factor. We want to start our problem with what the question is asking us about. So when it says, how much does each egg weigh? The question is asking about one egg. That each egg means it's asking about something about one egg. And when it says how much does it weigh, it's basically in this problem asking us for how many grams is it. Now technically it should be asking how much mass does each egg have to be technically correct, but I think that we can infer that it's asking us, when it asks how much does each egg weigh, it's asking us for how many grams does each egg have. So let's start with one egg, and I like to put my railroad tracks. And we want to cancel out the unit of eggs, since that's what we currently have, and we want to go to the unit of grams. So let's put eggs on the bottom, so it will cancel with the one on top, and then we'll put grams on top, because that's what we want to convert to. So, and the numbers follow our units. So 1,100 goes with eggs, and the 1.3 goes with our grams. So the egg on top cancels with the unit of egg on bottom, and then we multiply by the numbers on top, divide by the numbers on bottom. So we take 1, multiply it by 1.3, divide it by 1,100 or 1,100, and I get that to be 0.001, let me give myself a little more space, 0.001182 grams. So this is the basic answer to our question. We just need to round and put it into scientific notation. To put the number into scientific notation, we need to put the decimal behind the first non-zero digit so that the number is in between 1 and 10. So if we move our decimal 1, 2, 3 places to the right, it makes 1.182. But because we moved our decimal 3 places to the right, we need to multiply that by 10 to the negative 3. Moving the decimal to the right means we're going to have a negative exponent. So now we have our number in scientific notation. We just need to round it. I'm going to round because this number, I don't know if at this point if you have learned significant digits yet, but this number has 2 significant digits. This number also has 2 significant digits. So it seems reasonable to round to 2 significant digits. So we'll round to the number after the decimal to make 1, 2 total numbers in our problem. And the 8 behind the 1 makes the 1 go up by 1. So our final answer would be 1.2 times 10 to the negative 3 grams. That's how much each, or one, silkworm egg weighs in grams, or its mass. So I hope this homework help question was helpful for you. If it was, please leave me a like, and also if you have any questions, feel free to leave those in the comments or send me an email in the description below. Thanks for watching.